So here we have the corner of the porch, and you can see lots of damage because the roof was leaking. So what we're going to do is we started cutting. We're taking it back to the good wood, so we have to cut this one off here. Then we're going to cut this one about right here. This one we're going to take back to somewheres in here. And then we'll add our long piece. Cut this one about here and bring it out into where it sits onto here. And then we will, we also have these pillars in here now to help give some extra support. And then we'll bring the other piece out and then tie into it. And then we'll have to bring the front piece over also on both of them. That one's totally gone. And then once we get it all leveled up, we can start putting the floorboards down. And we'll try to reuse as much that we pulled up as we can, but then we'll have to add in some new and maybe, not sure, I have to take a look at how solid some of these still are too. Maybe these two have to be pulled off and used in shorter areas. But let's get at it, get cutting some more rod out.